Hey everyone, it's Norm here from IMCARS, and we are on board our 2021 Audi RS6 Avant, one of, I'd say, my favorite cars ever. And I'm not sure when this video is coming out. We are going to be doing a review video on this, so maybe that's already out, or maybe it's coming soon. But today, we have something arriving very special, very cool, highly modified, and we're heading off to work, and I can't wait to show you guys what we got. But in the meantime, let's enjoy these RS6 downshifts. A little bit of backfire. This car is crazy. I absolutely love this RS6 for so many reasons. All right, starting up the Huracan, and we are in a crazy snowstorm right now. We'll leave it in Strata. It is snowing like crazy, so we're gonna attempt to drive this rear-wheel drive Huracan into our showroom. Trust me, there's lots of snow outside. Rear-wheel drive, summer tires. We're gonna go very slow here, but we need some kind of momentum. She's actually doing pretty good. Very slippery, but she's doing good. This is the hard part. We got a little bit of a hill here. And now we just wait for them to open the door. All right, so now that we have got our newly acquired Huracan inside the showroom, I thought we'd bring in my dad, David, who did great in our last Bronco video, for David to tell you his thoughts about this car in particular. Well, tell us anything. Tell us anything you like or dislike about this car.
I think the whole car is really nice. It would be better if it had the factory wheels on there for that kind of price.
We have the factory wheels.
Oh, okay.
What else? Tell us what else you like or don't like about this
the
car.
condition. It's in nice condition. A lot of money.
A lot of money.
A lot of money for a little bit of metal and, some fabric. But overall, nice car.
Do you want to get in and see how you fit in it? It's convertible. You're good. You got lots of room. Get in and see how you fit out. I found the car to be very tight compared to the Aventador. What do you think now that you're seated in it?
Oh, it's quite comfy.
Quite comfy? Would you drive one of these?
Oh, not on a day like today. That's very nice. Very nice.
Do you have any other thoughts about it that you want to share with YouTube?
Not really. Kind of very glitzy. Not much to say, really, is there?
Would you take this over the Bronco?
Oh, I wouldn't buy a Bronco. I wouldn't drive it for free. You want me to pay $65,000 for this? The roof still leaks, and it's been recalled. Forget it. I'm not buying no FORD.
All right, so now that we've heard David's wonderful thoughts on this Huracan, I thought I'd walk you through the car, tell you about basically what the car started its life as well as show you all of these crazy modifications, because this is by far one of the coolest Huracans I've ever seen, and definitely locally. So it's 2017 Huracan 580-2, so this is the rear-wheel drive variant, 580 horsepower from the factory. Super cool white on red interior, which I think is a pretty classy and attractive sporty combination. I guess first off, visually the car has been lowered. I'm not sure what brand of lowering, but you can see it's got a really nice stance to it. It does still maintain the factory front lift, and it's got 21-inch rear and 20-inch front. These are LD97 forged alloy wheels. I think they look absolutely incredible. They're not like too out there, they're very fitting of the car. Coming around to the front, where you can see like really aggressive front end stance. And this is, as far as I can tell, it's like a one-piece carbon fiber attachment to the front bumper. Really, really nice in person. It's in great shape. It's got all the underside protected, and it's in, like, there's no damage on it. Really nice. That is an expensive piece for sure. Whole front end's been 3M'd, really nice shape. Just quickly show you the inside here. So red interior, it's got all the red and black cross stitching. It's got the Lamborghini lighting package down here, so you can see that moves with the door. Really nice. And I think the back end is the best part of this car. This is the craziest rear end bumper I've ever seen. This, I don't fully know if it's one piece or if there's some bolts or attachments, but this is essentially, let's call it a full one-piece carbon fiber bumper. All these rear diffusers, and there's 6 total diffusers. It's got the backup camera, OEM built right into it. It's got this carbon fiber rear deck lid right there. And if you can see through here, hopefully, it's got a full unobtainium welding titanium exhaust system, which has started to color shift, obviously. You got some hues of green, yellow, purple. Looks super cool. And then it's got this sort of dual center output. And let me say, this thing is absolutely incredible sounding. So I think we should fire it up. So that is our new 2017 Lamborghini Huracan 580-2. Now, the unfortunate news is all that white stuff outside. So we are not going to be able to do any driving with this car. As you can see, it was a little bit of a challenge even pulling it around into our showroom. So that is effectively the end of this video. Hopefully I can do some more videos with this car soon. If the roads clear up, we're definitely going to be taking it out and driving it. But for now, that is it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.